Hello everyone, welcome back to Modi Unchained, and this is the second part of motion, and in this video we will be visualizing motion, that is we will be plotting the motion on graphs. Now there are basically two types of graphs, distance or displacement time graph and velocity time graph. On displacement time graph you would have distance or displacement on the y-axis and you would have time on the x-axis. The slope of the distance or displacement time graph would represent speed or velocity on the basis of whether it is distance or displacement. When it is distance, it would represent this speed, and when it would be displacement, it would represent velocity. And our second graph is speed or velocity time graph. The velocity or speed is represented on the y-axis and the time is represented on the x-axis. The slope of speed or velocity time graph represents acceleration. We will now look on some special cases in the distance or displacement time graph. So the first special case is when the slope is a straight. So whenever the slope is straight, it means that the object is covering equal distances in equal intervals of time, meaning that it is uniform motion. Second case is when the slope is parallel to the x-axis or the time. So whenever the slope is parallel to time, it means that there is no increase in or decrease in distance with respect to time, meaning the object is at rest. And when the slope is curved, it means that object is covering unequal distances or displacement in equal intervals of time. So now we will look at the velocity or speed time graph. So the cases would be same here as well. So when the slope is straight, meaning this slope is straight, that means that the velocity of the object is increasing in equal intervals of time, which we can also say as uniformly accelerated motion. The second is when the slope is parallel to the x-axis. So whenever the slope is parallel to the x-axis or the time, that means that there is no increase or decrease in the velocity of the object with respect to time, meaning the velocity of the object is constant. For example, if it is 18 meter per second, then it would remain at 18 meter per second till the end of this slope. And when the slope is curved, then it means that the velocity of an object either increases or decreases non-uniformly. So there is no fixed uniform rate at which the velocity is changing in this case. Thanks for watching. This was all for this part, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for later updates.